At Gilbert Express, innovation is at the forefront of everything we do, and it shows. The complete line of Express soldering irons offers advanced heating tool technology for every application, including the first ever Hoseless soldering iron for repairs. Whether you're up on the roof or down in the shop, Express kits come completely assembled and ready to work. Lightweight and compact, Express irons offer a quick and convenient thumb control, plus a patented swivel hose attachment. We also carry 8 multi-directional tips, including the extremely durable, long-lasting series. Our patented multi-flame technology provides up to a 40% higher maximum temperature for the same gas consumption. And Express irons heat up in just 70 seconds. Innovative design, incredible precision, superior performance. Express irons give you the power to succeed.